Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best IKEA kitchen cabinets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tankula storage cabinet for kitchen. With plenty of storage space at the top and closed cabinets at the bottom, including a drawer, the cabinet provides you with space for almost everything. The MDF board construction, along with metal fittings, makes it sturdy. The smooth finish ensures that it is aesthetically pleasing as well. The anti-toppling design means that it is safe to use. The drawer has a stopper on the inside. The elegant white color makes it highly versatile. You can use it in the kitchen, bathroom, and other areas of your home. The standalone design means that installing it is not going to be a problem. The versatility of this cabinet makes it a great choice. Moving on at number 4, we have the Giantex Buffet Server Sideboard Storage Cabinet. Do you prefer a fully closed kitchen cabinet? If yes, this one will be perfect. It consists of a 2-door cabinet, a single-door cabinet, and 2 drawers. Along with that, the upper surface can be used as storage as well. You can easily store tableware, cutlery, stencils, and various other things in this kitchen cabinet. The standalone design means that installation is not required. The shelves inside are adjustable at 3 height levels. These are present inside the 2-door cabinet. Consequently, storing gadgets will not be a problem either. The easy-to-assemble design ensures you will not have to put in a lot of effort into installing it. The white and vermilion color help it can amalgamate into any decor. The finishing is elegant as well. The sheer storage space which it has on offer is the reason why it is on our list. At number 3, we have the HOMCOM 71 inches modern freestanding kitchen cabinet. The sleek design of this kitchen cabinet ensures that you can amalgamate into any modern kitchen decor. You get 7 closing cabinets, a drawer, and an open countertop shelf. The advantage of so much storage space is that you can use it for appliances, cutlery, and other things. The 2 large cabinets and the 1 small cabinet available allows you to adjust the shelves. The engineered wood construction increases the durability quite easily. You can clean it with a damp cloth, which ensures that the maintenance is not going to be an issue. When you look at all these features, it is easy to understand why this kitchen cabinet is such an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the Crosley Furniture Seaside Kitchen Pantry Cabinet. If you're looking for a kitchen pantry cabinet, this standalone one is a reliable option. The versatile black color means that it can amalgamate into any decor. The exact dimensions are 72 inches by 30 inches by 60 inches. The beadboard panels make it highly durable and aesthetically pleasing. The hardwood material helps it stand out. You get 2 large cabinets along with adjustable shelves. The easy-to-glide storage driver ensures that it is very convenient. With the help of metal hardware, you can be sure that wear and tear is not going to be a problem. When you look at these features, it is easy to understand why this kitchen cabinet is probably the perfect choice. And finally at number 1, we have the Walker Edison Furniture Company Modern Sideboard Kitchen Dining Storage Cabinet. With 4 different color options, you have some choice when going with this kitchen cabinet. The MDF construction and metal hardware make it durable. The sliding door design means that you can cover either of the sides. You get adjustable shelves and open and closed storage. Also, the design is such that you can use the upper shelf as a TV stand or a storage console. It is perfect for buffets as well. The dimensions of 32 inches by 16 inches by 32 inches makes it quite compact as well. If you're looking for a rustic kitchen cabinet, this one is sure to grab your attention. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.